Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of celebrity cleanliness? Let's take a peek behind the curtains and explore how some of our favorite stars keep everything spick and span. First up, let's talk about Cameron Diaz. Sure, she's known for her acting chops, but did you know she's also a germ-fighting ninja? That's right. Cameron takes germ consciousness to a whole new level. Instead of using her hands like the rest of us mere mortals, she opts for her trusty elbows to open doors, keeping those pesky germs at bay. And get this, she's not afraid to give those hands a good scrubbing either. In fact, she lathers up a staggering 40 times a day. Now that's what we call dedication to cleanliness. Next on our list is the one and only Britney Spears. This pop sensation isn't afraid to roll up her sleeves and get down to business when it comes to cleaning. While some celebs might leave the dirty work to their army of maids, Britney takes matters into her own hands, quite literally. She finds solace in the art of dusting and polishing, reveling in the satisfaction of seeing her surroundings sparkle. Fame hasn't dulled Britney's appreciation for a clean and tidy space, proving that she's just like us when it comes to the joys of a spotless home. Now, let's turn our attention to Gwyneth Paltrow. This wellness guru is all about living her best, healthiest life, and that includes maintaining impeccable cleanliness standards. Gwyneth takes germ prevention seriously, so much so that she's been known to bring her own brush and comb to the salon. Talk about being prepared. And when it comes to avoiding those unwanted handshakes, Gwyneth doesn't hesitate to politely decline. After all, she's got those pesky germs to dodge. With Gwyneth, cleanliness isn't just a preference, it's a way of life. Last, but certainly not least, we have the incomparable Helena Bonham Carter. Known for her iconic roles in films like the Harry Potter series, Helena understands the importance of a clean and organized space. For her, a tidy home isn't just about appearances, it's about maintaining a sense of calm and tranquility. In fact, Helena believes that a clean environment can even help alleviate feelings of nervousness and anxiety. Who would have thought that something as simple as cleaning could have such a profound impact on mental well-being? Helena's dedication to cleanliness proves that sometimes the key to peace of mind is just a mop and bucket away. So there you have it, a glimpse into the cleanliness habits of some of Hollywood's finest. From germ-fighting tactics to the satisfaction of a freshly cleaned surface, these celebrities prove that when it comes to cleanliness, they're just like us, only with a little extra sparkle. Subscribe to find out more. We'll be sharing more juicy stories about the lives of the rich and famous in our upcoming videos.